Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. In this tutorial, we will explore how to perform color-based segmentation using the k-means clustering algorithm in Python. Color-based segmentation is a technique used to partition an image into distinct regions based on the colors present in the image. K-means clustering is a popular unsupervised machine learning algorithm that can be applied to achieve the segmentation. Make sure you have the following Python libraries installed. We need to reshape the image into a 2D array of pixels, where each row represents a pixel and each column represents a color channel, R, G, B. Determine the number of clusters, K, based on the number of colors you want in the segmented image. Feel free to experiment with different values of K to observe the impact on the segmentation results. Additionally, you can apply post-processing techniques to further enhance the segmented image based on your specific use case. ChatGPT